This method will ensure that your cauliflower isn't bitter. I'll share a way to make cauliflower perfect and avoid any unpleasant smell while cooking. First, remove the leaves. Then, divide the cauliflower into smaller pieces. Take a bowl and fill it with water. Thoroughly wash all the cauliflower pieces in the bowl. Fill a pot with water and add a teaspoon of sugar. This will keep the cauliflower snow white and eliminate any bad odors during cooking. Next, put the cauliflower into the pot and cook it for 8 minutes. The sugar and cooking time are key to ensuring the cauliflower isn't overcooked or too hard. After 8 minutes, the cauliflower is ready. Turn off the pot and drain the cauliflower using a strainer. Once it cools slightly, it's ready to eat. Serve it with green parsley. It's a delicious addition to any meal.